Now the question says, a car takes off from rest and covers a distance of 80 meters on a straight road in 10 seconds. We are asked to calculate the magnitude of its acceleration. So the car covers a distance, so S is equal to 80 meters. And then the car takes off from rest and covers a distance. So therefore, we are given that the initial velocity is equal to 0 meters per second because the car takes off from rest. And also the time is equal to 10 seconds. So we are asked to obtain the value of its acceleration. So we know that the distance covered is equal to ut plus 1 over 2 a squared. So at this point, we can substitute our values. So we have that this is 80 equal to 0 times 10 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by acceleration times 10 squared. So here we go. So we're left with 80 equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by a times 100. So 2 cancel out itself, we have 1. 100 divided by 2, we have 50. So the equation reduces to 80 equal to 50a. So to make a our subject, we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of a, which is 50. So 50 cancel out itself. So therefore, a is equal to 1.6 meter per second squared. So we have been able to obtain the acceleration of the car that covers a distance of 50 meters.